Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change the search engine in Edge app on Android. So by default Edge is set to Bing, so if you search for anything, say wiki, so it will open the results using the Bing search. But if you want to change the search engine, what you can do is you can tap on this 3 bar options and go to settings, and within the settings you have this general settings, and at the top you have this third option which says select search engine, which is set to Bing, and you can choose any other search engine from the available list. Say suppose I choose Google, and once it is selected you can go back and open a new tab, and let's test with the search now. Say suppose I search for browser how. Now it will display the result from the Google search. So in this way you can change the search engine in your Edge app on Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.